What's up, buddy? So right now, I'm just trying to get some airflow to the house. It's been getting kind of wet, rainy season, so the more airflow, the better for the structures, for the people living, the animals, and for the plants too. So they just got a little jungly next to the house. I'm not going to cut these avocados down because they're about to fruit. Maybe you want to see what kind of avocados they are, if they're good. If they're good, we'll cut them down and graft them. If they're junk avocados, we'll just cut them down and compost, but we're going to wait to cut those down. This is the tool we use in case any people we don't like come to the farm. I just start this up and talk really loud and they run away really quick.
So no.
I'm just kidding. By the way, if you're using a chainsaw, you never want to do what I'm doing and wear sweatpants. You want chaps, fiberglass chaps, in case you fall down and hit your leg. You should be wearing a helmet, safety glasses. This is amateur what I'm doing, so don't do this at home. So when we're pruning coffee, there's a lot of things to take in consideration. Number one, the health of the plant. If you have a bunch of different shoots coming off this coffee, it's gonna have less energy to put into its fruit. It's gonna be putting more energy into these branches, into these leaves. You can see this has no coffee on it right now, so I'm gonna cut it way back. What else we're thinking about is it easy to take care of? Can we pick it, or is it too jungly back here? It's gonna be hard to pick, so we're gonna thin it out a little bit. 3, airflow. Like I said before, airflow is always good for the plants. And yeah, easier maintenance. We want to be able to walk around the coffee, pick it, take care of it without killing ourselves, so we can live harmonious with this food we're growing. First Lilikoi that's drafted I've seen this season. This is passion fruit. I'm gonna do the cameraman to eat. First one. You should have a good season this year. We got Lilikoi all up in these avocados too, which is another reason why we're not cutting the avocados down right
no. We're gonna grow a lot of more stuffs. New plants, and we got an open space to walk, you know, and all this is gonna be soil again, and it's gonna nourish them again, and other plants.
Yeah, it's interesting. It's sad that we cut everything down because it's all dead now, but the thing about paradise, right, is it's man and nature living together. If we just didn't do anything to this farm, there'd be no mac nuts, it'd be all covered with vines and weeds. It wouldn't be this beautiful spot that you like see in like paradise. So we cut down this stuff as a sacrifice. We're gonna wood chip it, it's gonna turn into really wonderful nutrition, and then we're gonna get more desirable plants that are gonna feed us and our families and our community, and feed this dead stuff to it. So it kinda is part of the cycle of life. Daisy, you're in the line of fire. Perfect. you're gonna have your route, right? This is where you're gonna escape. I'm gonna try to make it fall right here. So once it's coming this way, just let go of the damn thing. Got it?
Alright, got it.
And don't hit me with it.
Where are we gonna be?
Right under the tree. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna make my cut. Out of gas. You can let it go. I'm out of gas on your
Oh my gosh, looks like a face here. Look.
Oh yeah.
Don't cut me!
Adrian,
Yeah.
you're the eyes, man.
What am I looking for?
You're looking for anything that's gonna kill us.